heard a lot about snakes and many beliefs and stories are associated with them. In fact, for European countries, India is a land of snake charmers where they play bean and the snake dances on its tune. In India, this scene was seen almost in every nook and corner of the country, but nowadays the number is reducing quite fast. Thanks to the industrialization, which has created an environment where everyone is in rush. When someone got bitten by a snake, people prefer to go to snake charmer rather than go to the hospital. This is because they possess Nagmani that could cure the victim. Nagmani is said to be the most precious Nagratna. Nagmani is known by many names: cobra pearl, cobra gem, cobra stone. It is a belief that the luster and size of Nagmani increases with the age of the snake. It is moon-like pearl stone with blue, pale green, yellow tint, and it emits light in darkness. The rarest form is the pale green translucent light emitting mani. Generally, snakes and cobras that carry these manis are found on Asian belt near Sri Lanka and Burma. But most of them are found in Indian subcontinent only. So in this video, we will talk about most discussed and unsolved myths of Nagmani. This video depicts the most believable myth. In this video, this village or tribal man trying to retrieve the Nagmani or cobra pearl from the hood of cobra snake. By closely watching this procedure of removing the Nagmani, we can easily say that this is not Nagmani. There is no such evidence. The site of removal of this pearl may be placed for poison gland of the snake. Scientists have researched that after removing the glands, snake dies, and it is like removing the tusk from elephant. This is exploiting the snakes for money and for fake rituals. Cobra and other pearls and fossils are acquired mostly in Indonesian Malaysian lands. They are uncovered in caves, jungles, sacred spots, and building sites. They are usually tumbled for make them more attractive. The Asians have been revering these for thousands of years. In second myth about Nagmani is it radiates a large amount of bright light that can make you blind. By closely watching this video, the cobra pearl in this video is radiating light. But in the previous myth, the pearl obtained is only had shiny luster and black in color, which could only give a small amount of light in dark, not a large amount. So this myth may not be true. The third myth about Nagmani is that the real Nagmani changes the water into milky white in color. Let's see how this man shows people that the water changes into milky white color. So, as you can clearly see in this video, there is a cut between the footage when the stone put in the clear water and water turns milky. This video is obviously fake. Fourth myth about Nagmani is that it is so expensive, more than diamonds. This myth is also not true. There is no point in showing people Nagmani. As you can see in this video, this person removing Nagmani is poor and can easily make thousands of dollars by selling it. Fifth myth about Nagmani is that people think that Nagmani brings good fortune to the person that possesses it. This might not be true because the majority of people removing stone from the cobra snake are poor. If this can give good fortune or make them rich, why don't they have money or fortune? Sixth myth is that the original Nagmani possessed by Ikshadhari Nag or Nagraj only. This is only a folklore and having no connection with the modern world. After telling you all the myths about Nagmani, I want to tell you the bonus fact which will save the snakes. Don't feed snakes milk because they cannot digest it and they die after drinking it. So at last, we can only say that a thing can only be possessed if it exists. Stop exploiting or harming snakes for Nagmani. Nagmani is only a normal gem like other gems. Some people will agree with this video and some of you not. If you have seen Nagmani or want to share a story related to it, please let us know in the comment section.